Time to do some morning chores, so gotta get the baby on. Wait a second, did you poop? I had to take a brief intermission for a poopy diaper. Got the sourdough going. It's got about 2.5 hours left. Hey. Hey, chickies. I should have brought a bag. 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How am I gonna grab all of these? There's a chicken trying to... I'm getting 3 now and I'm coming back for 3 later. What I've done in the past when there was too many eggs is just put some in my pocket, but I'm not wearing a jacket today, so that's not going to work. I'm back for the other 3. Wanna play? Play. Oh, good job.